What's up, guys? JC here. So the selfie ring lights have become so popular these days, and a lot of people are buying these ring lights to do TikTok videos, YouTube videos, etc, etc. All right, but do those ring lights really work? So today I'm going to show you the quality that you can get with the ring light and without the ring light. So what I've done today is I've switched all my other lights. I'm only using the ring light. So this is the quality that you get when you're using the ring lights. So now let's switch it off to see if there are any changes. So this is with the lights, and this is without the light. So I'm sure you can see the difference with the light, without the light. So I'm sure now you have seen the difference in quality when you're using the ring light and when you're not using the ring light. So I hope this will help someone. After seeing this video, I'm sure it will be easy for you to make a decision whether you should get a ring light or not. All right, thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss in our future videos. Bye guys, and see you on our next video.